In today's complex business environment, understanding the various types of insurance available is crucial for protecting your organization against unforeseen risks. We are CCW Global, an insurance broker headquartered in Hong Kong, and over the next few minutes, we'll explore the essential insurance coverages your business may need, complete with real-world examples and industry-specific insights. First and foremost, let's discuss employees' compensation insurance, also known as workers' compensation elsewhere in the world. In Hong Kong, this coverage is mandatory for all employers, regardless of the size of their business, employee salary, or job duties. It provides protection against liabilities arising from work-related injuries or illnesses suffered by employees in the routine course of their employment. Consider a construction company where a worker sustains an injury due to a fall on site. EC insurance would cover that worker's medical expenses by providing financial compensation, ensuring the company complies with legal obligations and supports the injured employee's recovery. All industries in Hong Kong are required to have employees' compensation insurance, from construction and manufacturing to retail and hospitality. Even private employers of domestic workers must have EC coverage for their staff. Next, we have professional indemnity insurance. This coverage is designed for professionals who provide advice or services to clients. It protects against claims of negligence, errors, or omissions that result in financial loss for the client. For example, let's say an accounting firm provides incorrect tax advice to a client, leading to financial penalties. Professional indemnity insurance would cover the legal costs for the firm and any compensation awarded to the client. Professions such as accountants, lawyers, consultants, and architects commonly require professional indemnity insurance due to the advisory nature of their services. In some cases, professional indemnity insurance is a required purchase depending on your industry or company. So it is important to check any applicable regulations which may relate to your company. Then there is Directors and Officers Liability Insurance, or D&O insurance, which offers protection to the senior management of a company against personal liability claims arising from their decisions and actions taken within the scope of their official capacities. If a company director or senior executive is sued by shareholders for alleged mismanagement resulting in financial loss, then there will be a detrimental impact on the business. D&O insurance would cover defense costs and any settlements or judgments, protecting the personal assets of the director, enabling that individual to focus on their work. All companies with a board of directors or senior management team should consider directors and officers insurance, especially publicly listed companies and large private corporations with senior employees who are more visible to the general public and consequently at higher risk of suffering a claim. Then there is cyber insurance, which has become increasingly vital in our digital age. This coverage protects businesses against losses resulting from cyber attacks, data breaches, and other cyber-related incidents. When a retail company experiences a data breach on their website, this exposes their customer credit card information. Cyber risks insurance would cover the costs of notifying affected customers, legal fees, and expenses related to restoring the company's reputation. In some legal jurisdictions around the world, a data regulator will have their own requirements for managing a cyber incident, including the need to perform a forensic investigation, adding to the burden for businesses and further demonstrating the need for robust cyber insurance protection. In the modern world, any business that handles sensitive data, including financial institutions, healthcare providers, and e-commerce companies, should have cyber risks insurance. In terms of protecting the physical stuff inside your business, there are options for that as well. Office and shop contents insurance covers the physical assets within your business premises, such as furniture, equipment, and inventory, against risks like fire, theft, or natural disasters. Imagine a situation where a fire breaks out in your office, destroying computers and office furniture. Office contents insurance would cover the replacement costs, minimizing the financial impact on the business. Businesses with physical offices or warehouses, including law firms, marketing agencies, and retail stores, should consider office contents insurance coverage, which can often be bundled with other forms of protection, including EC insurance and business interruptions coverage. Relating to the things inside your office is the concern of a business's general liability. Public liability insurance is the product that protects your business against claims of bodily injury or property damage suffered by third parties due to your business activities. If a customer slips and falls in a retail store, sustaining injuries, then it is likely that the store is liable for those injuries. Public liability insurance would cover the medical expenses and any legal costs arising from the incident, protecting the company from financial exposure relating to the accident. Businesses that interact with the public, such as retailers, restaurants, and event organisers, should always consider purchasing public liability insurance. Finally, we have commercial goods liability insurance. Commercial goods. Liability insurance, also known as product liability insurance, covers legal expenses if your business faces claims related to selling, manufacturing, or distributing products that cause harm or injury. For example, let's say you're a manufacturer who produces a faulty electronic device that causes injury to a user. Commercial goods liability insurance would cover the legal costs and any compensation awarded to the injured party. Manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers of physical products should consider this insurance to protect against product-related claims. And for some e-commerce websites, this type of coverage is required depending on your revenue levels. Securing the appropriate professional and financial insurance coverage is essential for safeguarding your business against potential risks. By understanding and implementing these coverages, you can ensure the longevity and stability of your organization. If you have any questions about your business insurance options or need personalized advice, ask CCW, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.